Now let's consider some other analysis methods apart from FMEA. Gap analysis is an assessment tool to compare an organization's current performance to a desired performance. Gap analysis seeks to identify the difference between the current state and the future state. Gap analysis helps organizations frame the imperatives of the business. Some of these include remaining in business, recovering market share, remaining competitive, reducing cycle times, improving employee morale, improving customer satisfaction, lowering internal costs, improving quality, and increasing productivity. A gap analysis is grounded in 3 questions. What is the current state of the process, system, or imperative? What form do we envision for this process, system, or imperative? How will we define and measure our progress to this goal? Organizations build strategic plans that span 5 to 20 years. Management often allows biases and perceptions absent of data to cloud and influence their decisions. For this reason, we need to develop both best and worst scenarios. This exercise helps us map out contingency plans and best prepare for what actually comes to pass. In scenario planning, a small number of futuristic outcomes are developed. These frameworks portray how an organization's future might unfold and develops the best approaches for addressing these events. All aspects of scenario planning are difficult to formalize because many essential elements are often unknown. Scenario planning does acknowledge a measure of subjectivity in the data. Scenario planning is done in a group setting. We seek people who are well informed about the business and the state of the industry. Individuals who can think outside the box are also useful. We might want to start with the opportunities or potential threats to the business and how these events could impact the organization. Now, develop countermeasures to address these outcomes. Scenario planning is very much a living document and should be built such that signals can be devised to inform the group when certain events have occurred. Revisit and assess your projected planning continuously and adjust as needed as new information or avenues become available. Hoshin Planning is a tool used to organize and deploy strategic plans. Hoshin Planning converts the company's vision into measurable results and strategic goals. Like Six Sigma, we seek to identify and localize the vital few achievements. Hoshin Planning helps us align goals, focus on the vital gaps, cooperate with others to close gaps, defines methods and measures to achieve the strategic goals, makes local plans visible, and continuously improve the planning process. Like other processes, Hoshin Planning requires a deep managerial commitment to not only the results, but also the methods needed to achieve the results. Other analysis tools discussed elsewhere in this specialization should also be noted as useful tools. These include benchmarking, SWOT analysis, and pest analysis.